In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your Linksys router. Start by looking at the label on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker has plenty of important information about your router. Find a section titled Router Login or something like that. By default, the username and password are both admin. You'll need to enter this login information on the router's login page. If you don't find any login details on the label, try using admin for both the username and password. In rare cases, these login credentials might not work. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. For a full guide on how to reset your Linksys to factory settings, be sure to check out my other video, and then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. Once you've reset the router to its factory settings, you'll have to set it up again. You can find a tutorial for that in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment.